Hi everyone, today we're going to do a Jackson Pollock art piece. Jackson Pollock is an American painter who is an abstract expressionist. Have a look at his paintings. The technique he uses are pouring and splashing. He uses household paint onto horizontal surfaces to create his canvases. So we're going to try to create our own canvas today. Okay, so you need a piece of drawing paper, a cup of water, some paints. If you have tube paints, that would be better. I'm using watercolor today. As watercolor can be quite diluted, you need to get a fair bit amount of paint on your brush. So stir around on the paint until you get quite a fair amount of color on your brush, like that. And then you're gonna just start splashing it on the paper. Remember not to stand too close to your paper. Try to splash from a higher height. You can also tap on your brush to give you the spots effect. Splashing will give you the long effect of your dot, so you can try different ways of splashing it. You can turn the paper around so you get a different direction of your paint splashes. And I'm done. Do you like my artwork? Now I'm gonna clean up my art space. Okay, now it's time to sign your name on your art piece. This is your very own Jackson Pollock art piece. What do you think? Now it's your turn to create your own Jackson Pollock art piece.